So, welcome back. Saan ka?
Not London Bridge.
Not London Bridge. Because they call it like here, I'm not sure. Tower, like because the signboard said Tower Bridge.
Not London Bridge.
Not London Bridge.
But this is the iconic one. The iconic.
Yeah.
Let's see a good spot to take a picture.
Here we go. Walking in this weather. Perfect for what?
For walking.
I can sing a song for you.
London Bridge.
Pero parang yun naman yung
It's free.
another church to visit. We're here in Westminster Cathedral. So we're going to attend the Mass at 6 p.m. Just to be grateful for all the blessings.
Thanks for the opportunity. Bye. Where are we heading?
Heading to
Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf.
akala ko sa likod.
Canary Wharf and then nothing.
Yes! Galing, thank you.
So where are we now?
Yeah, we are in Makati.
Makati version of
Makati version of
BGC pala.
BGC. Ah, okay. BGC naman.
The Alchemist.
Where to?
Just
Straight?
chill lang pala siya. Yeah, I'm excited. My dream destination. That's
Nothing
it.
here.
Yeah.
It's cool. Ba yung bookstore na ano?
Yan na yun.
Yan na yan, di ba? Notting Hill Bookstore.
Are you sure? You want me to pay for this? For you? Oh, why not? It's perfect for you.
Ito daw palagi daw sa'yo madam. Before the goals.
Okay, sige.
Charot lang.
Oh my gosh. Stop.
So, how's it like? How's it like? How is it like?
Unexplainable.
Really?
Fun girl.
Really?
Yung feeling na ano, like parang nakapag-Chanel na rin ako.
Yeah. Ang galing. Nice.
We just finished our first veterinary to have dinner, not dinner, like meal at KFC. This is the last time. I wasn't able to do it because we're running out of time for like, we had a lot of errands at that reason. And now, what is your what do you call this one? How can you rate the KFC from here?
7, I think.
7. I still prefer the KFC in Saudi Arabia. Burberry London is the biggest shop around the world. So excited. Show us around, baby. The biggest, but my mom is not the biggest. So, yeah. Thank you so much.
Have a lovely day.
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.